Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied 1000, 1000 to 10,000 spellings. And how do you find out the 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number? Yes or no children? Yes. Shall I ask question? Okay. What is the smallest 3-digit number? Which one is the smallest 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Yes or no children? Yes. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Yes, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Is there no children? Yes, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now all of you see the board. It is easy to find out the digits and smallest greatest number. One small hints, okay. First, you draw one box and write digits. D-I-G-I-T-S, digits. Okay, D-I-G-I-T-S, digits. Smallest, S-M-A L-L-E-S-T, smallest. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest. Okay. First box, digits. Okay. D-I-G-I-T-S, digits. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T, smallest. And G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T, greatest. Okay children. First one, 1 digit. Okay. O-N-E, 1. D-I-G-I-T, 1 digit. Now we see which one is the smallest 1-digit number. Which one is the smallest 1-digit number? The smallest 1-digit number is 1. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Okay. Then the greatest 1-digit number is, what will come? The greatest 1-digit number. Open your mouth and say louder. Already we have studied, yes? Which one is the greatest 1-digit number? 9. Okay. 9. Then 2 digit. T-W-O-2 D-I-G-I-T, digit. 2 digit. Okay. Which one is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. Yes or no? Yes. The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. Okay, the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Then the third one, T-H-R-E-E, 3. D-I-G-I-T, digit. 3 digit. Okay, 3-digit number. Which one is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Okay, 100. Which one is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. Next, the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, the greatest 3-digit number. Which one is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. Yes. Then 4 digit, FOUR, 4. DIGIT, digit, 4 digit. Okay. Which one is the 4 digit number? The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. The greatest 4 digit number is 9999. Okay, 9999. First box is digits. Okay, how many digit is that? 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. The smallest 1 digit number is 1. The greatest 1 digit number is 9. Okay, the second one 2 digit. The smallest 2 digit number is 10. The same time, the greatest 2 digit number is 99. Next, 3 digit. The smallest 3 digit number is 100. Okay, the smallest 3 digit number is 100. The greatest 3 digit number is 999. Is that no, children? Yes. Then 4 digit number. Okay, 4 digit number. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Then the greatest 4 digit number. Yes. Which one is the greatest 4 digit number? 9999. Okay. Which one is the greatest 4 digit number? 9999. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now all of you take your classwork note. Now all of you take your maths classwork note with your stationery things, pencil, razor and sharpener. If your pencil sharp, your pencil is not sharp means first of all sharp your pencil, okay? Then you start to write. We have 2 maths notes, one for classwork and another one for homework. Now we start to write the classwork, okay? Take new page. Now take your classwork note, take new page. Now you copy the classwork, okay? First of all you write today's day and date. First of all you should write today's day and date. Next you start to write digit smallest and greatest, okay? Write what is on the board and write beautifully without any one mistake, okay children? Right. Copy the classwork from the board. Use only a pencil to write, okay? Don't use pen. Use only a pencil to write. Once a line of words is completed, you have to leave one finger space, okay children? Don't draw the line using your hand. Use your scale to draw the box, okay? Use your scale to draw the box. Don't draw the line using your hand, okay? One, two, three, four, five rows and 3 columns we need. First of all, you draw the columns, boxes. Next you start to write digits, smallest and greatest. Okay. First one digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, then 4 digit. Write neatly, okay? Write neatly, ma. You are good children or bad children? Good children, yes. So you write neatly. If your handwriting is good means I will give stars, okay? So write neatly. Have you written, children? I hope you have completed. Square up the board. You don't see the board. Now we come to the next one. What is this number? What is this number? 46, yes. 46. 46 is the 1 digit number or 2 digit number or 3 digit number or 4 digit number. 46 is a 2 digit number, yes. How many digits is here? 2. 1, 2. So 46 is a 2 digit number. Okay. 46. Then see here, this is how many digit number? This is how many digit number, ma? 3 digit number, yes. This is 3 digit number. 3 digit number means 3 digit number starts from 100, okay. This one ones, this one tens, this one is 100, okay. Ones, tens and hundreds, okay children. So ones and tens you read it together, okay. Ones and tens values you read it together, but the 100 values you read it separate, okay. The 100 values you read it separate. How do you read this one? 300, okay. 389, okay children. 389. Now another one number. This is 3 digit number, okay. 3 digit number starts from 100, okay. 3 digit number starts from 100. Ones, tens and 100. You split this one. First of all you read the 100 place value, okay. 700. How many 100 is here? 7, okay. So 763. 763. Then another one small example. This one ones, tens and hundreds, okay. Now you read how many 100 is here? 800. 891, okay. 891. 3-digit number means 3-digit number starts from 100. Okay. Then see the 4-digit number. Okay. 4-digit number. We put a comma to separate thousands from 100. Okay. So compulsory after the 1000 place we want to put one small comma. Okay, children. We put a comma means one is separate thousands from 100. Okay, children. So now we read ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. First of all you read separate, 1000 separate, 100 separate and ones and tens only you read it together. Okay, children. How many thousand is here? 4. Yes. 4000. How do you read this number? 4864. Okay, mama. Ones tens எப்பவுமே சேர்த்து தான் ரீட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? 100 தனியாக தான் ரீட் பண்ணணும். 1000 தனியாக தான் ரீட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. How many thousands here means 4000. So 4864. Okay. Shall we see the another one? So how many digit number? 4-digit number. So 1000 after the 1000 place you want to put one comma. Okay. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. How do you read this one? 1000 is separate, 100 is separate and ones and tens. Okay. How many thousands here? 7. So 7632. Is that no, children? 7632. Okay. Do you understand how to read these numbers? Okay. First one, okay, Roman letter 1. This is for your margin line means first of all you write today's day and date. Okay, children. First of all you should write today's day and date. Okay. Next you start to write that first one. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Write the N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Write the number. N-A-M-E, name. Write the number name. Okay, children. Write the number name. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E-D, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. N-A-M-E, name. Number name. Write the number name. Okay. See the first one. What is this number? How do you read this one? This is ones place, this one tens, this one 100 and another one is 1000. Yes? So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. How many thousand is here? First of all, you should read the 1000 place. Okay? You start from the left side. Okay, children? 4862. Yes or no? Yes. First of all, you write 4000. F-O-U-R, 4. What is the spelling for 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Next, 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1000. Okay. 4000. How many hundred is here? 800. E-I-G-H-T, 8. HUNDRED, 100. Okay, 4800. What is this number? 62. Yes or no? Yes, 62. So you write the 62 spelling. Yes, IXTY, 60. TWO2, 62. 4862. Okay children, what is this number? 4862. The second one, what is this number? 7 with 330 means, how do you read this one? 7000. Yes, 1's place is 0, 10's place is 0, 100 place also is 0. So 1000 only it has values. Yes, so this is called 7000. Okay, say the spelling for 7000. Yes, EVEN, 7. THOU SAND, 1000. 7000. Okay, there is any 100, 10s and 1 values? No. Okay, so we want to write the 7000 only. Okay, the third one, what is this number, ma? First of all, this is how many digit number? 3 digit number. Yes, this is 3 digit number. 3 digit number starts from hundreds. Yes or no? Yes, 3 digit number starts from 100. So how many 100 is here? 600. What is this number? 8. How do you read this one? 680. Yes, 680. Say the spelling for 680. Yes, IX6 HUNDRED, 100. 680 EIGHTY, 80. 680. Next one, what is this number? The fourth one, what is this number? 3472. Yes, 3472. Okay, the fourth one, 3472. Say the spelling for 3000. THREE, 3. THOU SAND, 1000. 3000. 400, FOUR, 4. HUNDRED, 100. Okay, 3472. Yes, 72. Say the spelling for 72. Yes, EVENTY, 70. TWO2, 72. 3472. 72. 3472. Then the fifth one, what is this number? What is this number? 1000. Okay, say spelling for 1000. O-N-E-1 T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. Okay, 1000. Say spelling for 1000. O-N-E-1 T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. 1000. Now all of you take your maths class note and write this one. Write the number name. Write the number name. Write the number name. 4862. 4862. Write the number name. 4862. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4 T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. E-I-G-H-T, 8. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 800. 62. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. T-W-O-2, 62. If you complete one line means leave one finger space and write. Okay, ma? Second one, 7000. 7000. Say the spelling for 7000. Yes, E-V-E-N, 7. Yes, E-V-E-N, 7. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1000. 7000. The third one, 680. 680. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 600. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. 680. See the board and write neatly, children. Don't see here and there. If you complete means see the note and read the spelling one by one. Don't simply sit, okay? Then the fourth one, 3472. 3472. T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand, 3000. FOUR 4. HUNDRED 100, 400. SEVENTY 70. TWO2 72. 3472. The last one, 1000. 1000. ONE1. ONE1. THOUSAND 1000. 1000. What is the spelling for 1000? ONE1 THOUSAND 1000. 1000. All of you have you written, children? All of you have it written? Is or no? Yes. All of you have written. I hope you have completed this one. Now all of you take your maths homework note. Now all of you take your maths homework note. Take the new page and write today's day and date. Take your maths homework note. First of all of you write today's day and date. All of you write with me. WRITE, write. THE, the. NUMBER, number. NAME, name. Write the number name. This one today homework, okay? Take the homework note and write. Write the number name. First one, 42. 7842. Then 23,651. The third one, 8,426. The fourth one, leave one finger space and write, okay? Then 4,895. 895. Write the number name. First one is 7,842. The second one is 23,651. The third one is 8,426. Fourth one 4,000. Fifth one 895. 895. Have you written? I hope you have completed. This one, today's homework. Okay, children? Finish the homework on the given day. Okay? Please sit and write today's homework. Okay? I hope you finish your homework on the given day. Okay, children? Write neatly and send me. Okay? Next one. Next one we will see the next class. Study well. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.